Alright, so one more example. Okay, sige. So, here, in his motorboat, a man can go downstream in 1 hour less time than he can go upstream the same distance. If the current is 5 miles per hour, how fast can he travel in still water if it takes him 2 hours to travel upstream the given distance? So, dito, may tinatawag na tayong downstream and upstream. Okay? With respect to the rate, time, and distance. So, based on the problem, we are asked to find the rate of the boat in still water. So using our strategy, no, we let X or we use X as the unknown rate of boat in mile per hour in still water. And next, let's have the table. So in our table, again, we have time, rate, distance. So in our table, let's break down everything. Ilagay natin dito kung ano yung mga information na makukuha natin sa problem. Given that meron tayong tinatawag na downstream and upstream. Okay, based on the problem, take note that going down or downstream, it takes 1 hour less time than he can go upstream. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag going up, it takes 2 hours. So, therefore, pag downstream na, 1 hour na lang. Alright? Okay. So, therefore, downstream is 1 hour. And for upstream, 2 hours. Nakuha ba? Okay, very good. So, now, let's move on to their rate. So, again, given that the current is 5 miles per hour and we have the unknown rate as x. So therefore, going down, ibig sabihin, madagdagan yung rate natin ng 5 miles per hour. So we have now x plus 5. Nakuha? Okay, very good. And for going up or upstream, since against tayo ng current ng tubig, so therefore, x minus 5. And take note that time times rate is equal to distance. So therefore, that is 1 times the quantity of x plus 5. Or it's just the time and rate for the downstream. And for upstream, we have 2x plus 5. Okay, now setting up into equation. So, since going down and going up is just the same distance, diba? So we have here now 1 times the quantity of x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 5. So again, saan natin nakuha to? Mula sa kanya-kanyang distances. Okay? Alright. So, x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 10. Just simply follow the algebraic process. Okay? Do the algebra. So, we have here 10 plus 5 is equal to x minus x or just 15 as the rate in miles per hour sa boat natin. Given that there would be no current at all. Okay? But in reality, kahit ano pa yan, there would be a little current. But here, in this kind of problem, i-consider lang po natin na walang current. So therefore, pag walang current, the rate of the boat would be 15 mile per hour.